windy on the roof today. Man, oh man, what a beautiful day. Alright, with part one of the AC complete, I've got it back together and we're cooling the camper. I thought I'd tackle this kind of disaster here. Yeah, a little bit rotten. I've got a new one I hope will fit. It did have a vent cover on it. I just went ahead and popped that off because there's not much to see. What I'm going to do is try and clean up my skylight a little bit. It's quite yellowed. I don't think we can do much about that without retrobrite, but and we can't take it off easily, but we'll see what a little bit of Windex does, and if we have to get aggressive we can do a little bit of spray 9, but I'll just try Windex first. It's pretty safe. That came up beautifully. There's no need for anything else. A little bit of spray 9, a little bit of Windex. I went ahead and gave this other one a wipe too. It came up not bad. This one looks original. I don't think it can be though, but anyway, it's pretty spiff. I'm happy with that. It's a little yellow, but all my other ones, my other one has a vent cover on it too, so we should be in good shape. Just got to go ahead and fix this. So this is the vent lid that I got. With any luck it'll fit, and because I'm lazy I'm going to cheat and brought my dust buster up. I'm gonna clean the chips and crap out of here, and I'm just gonna dust bust it and clean it all up. Hopefully my other fan is in one piece, and it is, but it feels brittle. It feels pretty punky, so I'll be real careful around that. We should be in good shape. Okay, it's a week later. I'm back on the roof again, and geez, what a gorgeous day. What a wonderful place to be. Well, except for that deadfall. Oh, it's just great. There's some quads in the distance. I got a lot of the grass mowed. Got a lot more to mow. Hummingbirds are chirping away and chasing after each other. Yeah, we're winning. So let's see, did we win with this? So Amazon special. Amazon seems to be back to half-ass quick deliveries again, and this should be the right cover. Always away. Just as simple as that. Just slides in, and this piece is broken, but rather than get the whole thing, I was able to recover the piece, so I'm pretty sure I can just put it through and super glue it on, and that's what I'll do here now. We win, so I'm pretty happy with that. We're in there, and I was able to put glue all over the disc, and then or the track, not the track, the roller, and then I was able to hit it with accelerator, and then I actually put a layer on the end. And this, like, there's no load on that, it's just a guide, so it'll work just fine. That'll outlast everything, and this is sealed up just fine. So yeah, that'll come down, and yeah, we're all set. So now it just needs the top put back on, and be good to go. And the plan is we'll install another one here, and this will keep our friendly caterpillar droppings from being able to go right into my bedroom, which is undesirable. And should be able to figure this out. I gotta get some stickers off of it, and it's pretty straightforward. It'll just fasten in the sides with the brackets, nothing to it. We're not going to use it for traveling. We're going to use it just for here to keep the stuff from falling in the bedroom. So perfect, easy instructions, nothing to it. So just like that, it's just fastened 4 screws around the outside, and then 4 bolts just locking in like a lag style. That's it, nothing to it. Just set that down, and now we can have our cover open in all conditions, and it looks like it did come pre-broken for me. That's kind of a shame, but that's okay. This thing's not trucking down the road much. I'll live with that. See if I can find the screw though. That'd be handy. All right, I am super happy with this. We've got both of these dealt with now, and I am quite content. I can now have all my vents open despite any weather. It is bloody hot up here. Holy smokes. It is a warm day, no wind. The bugs aren't too bad because of the what do you want to call it, thermocell that I'm running down there. And I think I stirred them all up earlier when the wind was up when I cut the grass and got rid of a bunch. Pretty cool. I'm happy with this. I'm well due for a rest.